Hello friends, so in this video I would like to show how to adjust the clutch cable, and for my bike I would like to increase free play because I have no free play, and the moment I start to press lever, clutch starts to disengage, so I would like to add just slight free play. And now to adjust cable we need to go here, and here's a clutch cable, and you adjust tension with these bolts, and they are 40 sorry, not bolts, nuts. They are 12 millimeters and 14 millimeters. Now we need to unscrew the first nut. First nut locks both nuts together. And now to adjust tension we use this nut, and basically if we make this part go in, that means we decreasing tension, and clutch gonna engage later. If we make this part go up, that means we increasing tension, and your clutch gonna engage sooner. So in my case I would like to decrease tension, so I'm gonna unscrew it a little bit, probably up to here, and I'm gonna try how it feels. And basically you need to experiment with the length of this part until you are happy with your clutch, and after that you just lock the first nut with the second. Wait a minute, this one. And that's it, that's how you adjust tension.